How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out an absolutely gorgeous 57 Bel Air two-door hardtop. It's had a complete frame-off build. The previous owner owned the car over 30 years. See all the bumpers, the grille, all the chrome on this car is perfect. Show quality turquoise paint, all base clear. Car straight as an arrow down the side, super slick. All the original stainless trim has all been repolished and in excellent shape. It's got the turquoise and black factory type interior. Been all redone. They did the wagon rear bumper on it. Real clean, slick looking. It gets the license plate off the deck lid. Just makes it clean, good looking car. The whole undercarriage of the car is all turquoise. The frame is all done in gloss black. See all under the hood, everything. The attention to detail on this car, just none other. Got a killer 383 aluminum heads. Makes 437 horse. Got your billet aluminum serpentine front drive kit, big aluminum radiator. Everything is polished. Got power disc brakes. It's got power rack and pinion front steering with tubular upper or lower A-arms, adjustable coilovers up front. It's got a full Flowmaster exhaust, 2.5 inch all the way out the back with stainless tips. You see how nice and clean the doors. The interior in the car is just gorgeous. It's got all digital dash, Dakota. Got the retrofit stereo system, direct fit. It's got your billet Ididit tilt steering column. Just a super nice car. Nicely updated with some front and rear seat belts. Good choice of steering wheel. Very nice center console. That's removable. Nice armrest, holds your cups. Trunk is all done very nice. They mounted the battery down in the tire well, so it makes the trunk nice and clean. Got your car cover. Here's a whole pamphlet, every bill and paperwork on the build. Tell you, this is probably the nicest 57 I've seen in a long time. And the headliner's nice and tight and everything. It's got your vintage AC and heat. Got your vents nicely done under the dash, all done, blends right in. All the jams, everything on this car is just beautiful car. Flippers work good on the doors. fires right up. It's got all the Rainworks updated wipers in it. It's all updated wiring harness. It's got 12 bolt positive rear end with 3/7 gear. It's got a 700R overdrive trans. Tough sounding car. LED tail lights. I've had the opportunity to drive this car. I've put about 100 miles on it myself. Drove it, enjoyed it, took the family out for ice cream, cruised it. You can check out our complete inventory at rawlscustomsmi.com. Have a great day, folks.